The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love. Wait, no, it began when King Triton asked Sebastian to keep an eye on Ariel.
The water's always bluer in someone else's pool, but down here is your home. That human version will different. Out in the sunless now the only fish is happy as our food of Wonderland makes happy. When the set goes big, it's golden, but fish in the boat. One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you got me a big plate. Nobody beat us, fry us and eat us in Breuer sea. We got no troubles, life is never more is under the sea. Since life is free, we got to be here naturally. You play the flute, the cup, the harp, the place, baby.
Something about being in love with a human. We sent her to Ursula. Yeah, Ursula has great powers.
I've mended all my ways, I've repented so that I can read a switch. And now that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. So they come flocking to my golden rocks, but also to the bees, and I help them. One princess plus I just say next laryngitis, a crochet to me.
No time will be better. She won't say a word. She won't say a word until you kiss again. Sha la 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 la, my oh my, look like a boy too shy. Gonna kiss again. Sha la 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 la, in that side. Here you are. Hope you had a wonderful time. Now, please step out into the lane. Goodbye. It was so good to see you. We hope you had a wonderful time. Here you are. Hope you had a wonderful time. Hands, arms, feet, legs, flippers, and fins inside your clam shell. And keep an eye on your little ones. I can't be everywhere.